CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Let's end the week strong. Is it a buy? Let's see like what's gonna happen in this quick 1-minute video. Now, here's the thing. I'm the only person in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And with CRCL, like I told you guys, this is beautiful because I was not buying. Like I got the first break, of course, but without the proper double break, and that there's a reason why I have this waiting sign here, I was not gonna buy. And guess what? If I would have randomly bought, I would have been taken out already. Does it make it like a bearish ticker now? No, because technically we're now mitigating the demand zone, and from this demand zone, I will be waiting for shifts. Not in a way where I'm gonna randomly start buying or anything similar, but I'm telling you, like if I start seeing some double breaks happening, then nothing is in my way for potentially just doubling down and buying on this shift, right? But I'll tell you, you know, that's why I still will have this waiting ticker here. I just need more candles, you know what I mean? Like randomly pulling the trigger on every ticker is well tested. I don't know, like never worked for me. But again, I've tested 45,000 videos. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks and emails and insights daily, click the first link in the description. It's free.